Hey everyone, it's Game Magnet Experience and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the stock market to uncover 10 high-growth stocks for 2025. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. The stock market is like an ever-evolving puzzle. Understanding the trends, the players, and the potential disruptors is key to making informed decisions. So, are you ready to explore some game-changing companies that could supercharge your portfolio? Let's get started.
Chapter 4: Apple, the tech giant's enduring legacy. No discussion about high-growth stocks would be complete without mentioning Apple, a company that has revolutionized the tech industry. Apple is a global icon, known for its sleek design, innovative products, and incredibly loyal customer base. From the iPhone to the Mac, Apple has consistently delivered products that consumers love and rely on daily. Apple's competitive advantage lies in its powerful ecosystem of hardware, software, and services that work seamlessly together, creating a unique user experience. This ecosystem creates a loyal customer base that's more likely to upgrade to the latest iPhone or subscribe to Apple Music, iCloud, and other services. However, Apple faces challenges like fierce competition in the smartphone market and maintaining its premium pricing strategy amidst economic fluctuations. Despite these, Apple's brand power, loyal customer base, and unwavering commitment to innovation make it a stock worth considering for the long haul.
Chapter 5: Microsoft, adapting and innovating in the tech landscape. Microsoft has successfully reinvented itself over the years, transforming from a software giant to a cloud computing powerhouse with its Azure platform, which is now a key player in the industry. Microsoft's strategic acquisitions like Activision Blizzard demonstrate its ambition to become a dominant player in the metaverse, a virtual world with immense potential. They're developing hardware and software solutions that could shape the future of how we work, play, and connect, making everyday tasks more efficient. However, Microsoft's metaverse ambitions are not without risks, as the metaverse is still in its early stages of development and faces many challenges. Despite uncertainties, Microsoft's track record of innovation, strong financial position, and strategic bets on emerging technologies make it a company to watch closely in 2025. Microsoft's ability to adapt and innovate keeps it relevant in a rapidly changing tech landscape. Their focus on the future is evident in their strategic moves and long-term planning.
Chapter 6: Alphabet, navigating the digital frontier. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is a sprawling tech conglomerate with its fingers in everything from search and advertising to artificial intelligence and self-driving cars. The rise of digital advertising significantly benefits Alphabet, with its dominant search engine and vast advertising network. However, Alphabet faces challenges like regulatory scrutiny, antitrust concerns, and the rise of ad blockers. Despite these, Alphabet's massive scale, innovative culture, and ability to generate significant revenue from advertising make it a company to watch in 2025. Alphabet's diverse ventures keep it at the forefront of technology.
Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook, is a company in transition. Once synonymous with social media, Meta Platforms is now betting big on the metaverse, a move reflected in its name change. Mark Zuckerberg, Meta Platforms' CEO, is a visionary leader who's not afraid to make bold bets, though his leadership has faced criticism over user data handling. Meta Platforms' foray into the metaverse is a risky but potentially game-changing move, investing heavily in virtual and augmented reality technologies. Despite the challenges, Meta Platforms' massive user base, financial resources, and willingness to embrace innovation make it a company to keep an eye on in 2025. Their bold moves could reshape social interaction and entertainment.
Now let's talk about Shopify, synonymous with e-commerce. Shopify provides a platform for businesses to create online stores, manage inventory, and connect with customers. One of Shopify's key strengths is its focus on partnerships and collaborations, like with Facebook and TikTok. These partnerships have expanded Shopify's reach and made it easier for businesses to connect with potential customers. Shopify's constant innovation adds new features and tools to help businesses thrive in e-commerce. However, Shopify faces intense competition in the e-commerce platform market. Despite challenges, Shopify's user-friendly platform, focus on customer success, and strong partnerships make it a company with significant growth potential in 2025. Shopify's adaptability keeps it ahead in the digital age.
Next up, we have Square, a company that is truly disrupting the financial services industry. Square started with mobile payment processing solutions for small businesses, but has since expanded into a wide range of financial services, including loans and payroll. Square's commitment to innovation is evident in its research and development efforts, exploring new technologies and developing new products to stay ahead. They're making significant investments in blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, believing in its potential to revolutionize the financial system and create new opportunities. However, Square faces fierce competition and complex regulatory challenges that could impact its growth. Despite these, Square's innovative culture, focus on customer needs, and early mover advantage in blockchain technology make it a company to keep on your radar in 2025 and beyond. Square's forward-thinking approach truly sets it apart from its competitors. Their focus on emerging technologies positions them for significant growth in the future.
Finally, we have Palantir, specializing in big data analytics. Palantir provides software platforms for government agencies and large organizations to analyze vast amounts of data and make informed decisions. Their technology has been used in applications from counterterrorism to healthcare analytics. However, Palantir has faced controversy over privacy concerns and involvement in sensitive national security matters. Despite this, the growing need for data analytics solutions and Palantir's expertise position them for potential growth in 2025. Palantir's ability to handle complex data sets makes it a key player in the analytics field.
So there you have it, 10 high-growth stocks worth watching in 2025. From established tech giants like Tesla and Amazon to disruptors like Square and Palantir, these companies are shaping the future of their industries. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more stock market insights, and let me know in the comments which of these companies you're most excited about. Thanks for watching.